What is Kine Protocol DEX? Before we dive into Kine Protocol DEX, it's important to understand what CEX and DEX are. CEX stands for Centralized Exchange, which acts as a middleman in the world of cryptocurrency. It's similar to traditional financial institutions such as banks and stock markets that practice centralized asset custody. Due to its high level of centralization, CEX platforms face significant security issues, making them vulnerable to hacks, theft, lack of transparency, frozen accounts, and platform shutdowns. To address these issues, DEX was introduced. DEX, short for Decentralized Exchange, allows users to establish peer-to-peer settlements and clearings on the blockchain network, enabling users to trade without intermediaries managing the ledger or controlling user funds. So, what is Kine Protocol DEX? Kine Protocol is a decentralized derivatives platform, as shown in Figure 1, which leverages Layer 2 networks and innovative automated market maker mechanisms to achieve zero gas fee transactions and instant trade confirmations. By employing an on-chain staking and off-chain trading strategy, Kine Protocol provides a fair and transparent trading environment. Compared to centralized exchanges, Kine Protocol DEX has many advantages. There's no need for traditional KYC authentication, and users only need to authenticate through their wallets when logging in, which ensures safety and convenience while keeping the platform from obtaining key user information. The highlights of Kine Protocol DEX include safer and more convenient asset management. Users hold their private keys and can transfer funds instantly without centralized asset custody. Extremely low trading costs, as there is no centralized order book, trades occur instantly without considering the counterparty's volume. Asset security. Unlike centralized exchanges, user funds on Kine Protocol DEX are secured by smart contracts, and asset data is transparently recorded on-chain for easy auditing. Kine Protocol DEX builds a secure, fair, and transparent trading environment. As centralized exchanges face security breaches and blocked withdrawals due to shady practices, decentralized exchanges have become a more promising option. Kine Protocol DEX provides a secure, fair, and transparent trading environment through its product mechanism and price oracle. The platform employs multiple price oracles to ensure market-oriented prices and avoid artificial price manipulation. Without market makers, users trade with the market's volatility, which eliminates the impact of powerful counterparties and iceberg orders. Additionally, the Kine Protocol DEX software is completely open source, which means that anyone can examine the code. To learn more about Kine Protocol DEX, visit www.kine.io.